Exposing the secrets in crafting a pro-level resume. Let's unlock the power of ATS-friendly resumes in Part 4. First up, headers and footers. Keep them simple and clean. No need for fancy designs here. Next, date formats. Be consistent. Use Jan 2020, Dec 2021, or January 2020, December 2021 throughout your resume. Avoid abbreviations. Always write the full form first. Like Certified Public Accountant, CPA. Then use CPA after. Follow a logical order: contact information, professional summary, work experience, education, skills, certifications. This makes it easy for both ATS and human recruiters. Use strong action verbs. Words like developed, managed, and implemented stand out. Quantify achievements: increased sales by 20% to show your impact. Incorporate job description keywords naturally. For example, results-driven project manager with expertise in agile methodology and team leadership. Finally, get a peer review. Fresh eyes can catch what you missed. By following these tips, your resume is sure to catch the eye of both ATS and recruiters. Like, subscribe, share, and comment for more career tips.